Hey there, fellow traders. Welcome back to Insider Financial. In this video, we will discuss the stocks on our radar. First, we have a new profile that we want you to consider for tomorrow's session. This morning, they announced some explosive news that moved double digits on solid interest. Pull up XXII immediately. 22nd Century Group is a next-generation plant biotechnology company focused on improving human health through plant science. Using their breakthrough patent-protected IP to control nicotine biosynthesis in the tobacco plant, they have developed the first market-ready, reduced nicotine content tobacco plants and cigarettes containing 95% less nicotine. They received the first and only FDA MRTP authorization for a combustible cigarette in December 2021. The sole function of their cigarettes is to make it easier to reduce the number of cigarettes smoked. In tobacco, 22nd Century employs a unique and innovative platform of modern plant breeding technologies, including genetic engineering, gene editing, and molecular breeding to deliver healthier solutions for pressing issues. They create new proprietary plants with select alkaloid, terpenoid, and flavonoid profiles, improve yields, and valuable agronomic traits for the life science and consumer products industries. Rather than fight that trend, they've done something better by developing a product line that gives choices back to the consumer and simultaneously pioneers a movement reshaping the tobacco industry. XXII isn't saying that nicotine is good all of a sudden, far from it, but it offers an innovative product option. It's VLN, very low nicotine cigarettes. They can do more than appease those wanting nicotine. It's developing a whole new category that could also satisfy investor appetites for innovative and revolutionary growth stock companies. Its innovative VLN cigarettes empower smokers to reduce nicotine consumption without sacrificing the smoking experience they know. That difference is a competitive advantage. And it's not just another nicotine delivery system. It's giving smokers the ability to make informed decisions about their nicotine intake. The value driver in its mission to create market and shareholder value is the FDA-approved VLN cigarette, which contains 95% less nicotine than traditional cigarettes. Currently, VLN is available in over 5,000 stores across 26 states, but that could be just the start. 22nd Century has announced ambitious plans to extend distribution to over 270,000 retail outlets nationwide. And it's not stopping there. International expansion is also on its agenda, with established partnerships in markets like South Korea, where the demand for harm reduction products is growing. And the infrastructure for growth is in place. XXII's supply chain includes a stockpile of low nicotine tobacco ready to meet demand. It has the additional capacity to manufacture up to 1.4 million cartons of VLN cigarettes, generating up to $85 million in revenue. In other words, XXII is more than just poised for success. It is the infrastructure to meet the increasing demand for its products. We also got news out today. The company announced a new customer agreement to supply its Moonlight branded cigarettes to the Southeast Asian marketplace. The first shipment is expected in the fourth quarter of 2024, and the company has the opportunity to significantly expand volumes as the customer launches in key markets through 2025. Larry Firestone, chairman and CEO of XXII, said this new customer represents an exciting opportunity to deploy one of our underutilized in-house brand assets to drive new growth opportunities, expanding our presence in a market with a widespread smoking culture in Southeast Asia. At scale, we believe this contract represents an opportunity to grow our manufacturing volumes by more than 30% over the next 15 months. We have traditional brands and assets that we can deploy into these or other markets in the U.S. and around the world. We are currently discussing similar opportunities with customers interested in deploying those brands and predicates, as well as customers interested in offering a reduced nicotine content product under their own branding, helping us to build a new category around our innovative VLN products. 22nd Century owns several brands, including Pinnacle, Moonlight, Magic, and Ranger. It also produces VLN 95% reduced nicotine content branded cigarettes, the only combustible cigarette authorized by the US FDA, specifically designed to reduce smoking rates. The company recently announced the launch of its VLN branded products in the South Korean market and expansion strategy in the US, which is expected to include flanker brands for additional reduced nicotine content products intended to help smokers smoke less. At current levels, the market cap is just $6.08 million. But don't just take our word for it. Start your research. To read our full report on XXII, click the link in the description or go to insiderfinancial.com. There is no spam and your info is never shared. You can unsubscribe anytime. You can even sign up. Just see the level of research we do here at Insider Financial and unsubscribe. Moving on, GameStop Corp, GME on the NYSE announced on Monday after the market closed that the company completed its previously disclosed at-the-market equity offering program. The Texas-based company disclosed details on September 10th regarding the offer to occasionally sell up to a maximum of 20 million shares of its common stock through the ATM program. GameStop confirmed that it has sold the maximum number of shares registered for approximately $400 million in aggregate gross proceeds. GameStop said it intends to use the net proceeds from the ATM program for general corporate purposes, which may include acquisitions and investments. Regarding the retailer's balance sheet, GameStop ended Q2 with $4.2 billion in cash and had long-term debt of just $12.4 million. GameStop rose today up 2% and then was up 1.48% in after hours. 9.15% of the float is short. So now the company is cashed up, ready for bear, just waiting to see what Ryan Cohen's next move is. CRK keeps climbing. I've been talking about this one over the past week. Dallas Cowboys owner just keeps buying. The thinking is that maybe he's just going to buy the whole company. He's certainly got the money. The Cowboys are the most valuable sports team in the world, worth over $10 billion. They just can't win on the field. And 36% of the float is short in CRK. And then PLCE, this is Children's Place Inc., on the verge of a bullish breakout. 58% of the float is short. $18 is the breakout price. You can see here we got multiple top levels here. So that's what I am watching here in PLCE. And most notably, 58.69% of the float is short. So we love these short squeeze plays, especially on the breakout. New highs are to be bought in these short squeeze plays because that's where all the stops are above the breakout level, and then it just squeezes the shorts. Lastly, I'll also be scanning the pre-market, and if I see anything else, I will let subscribers know. However, Tuesday's primary focus is XXII. Make sure you read our full report and do your research. And as always, good luck to all except the shorts. At Insider Financial, we put stocks on your radar with potential outsized moves. As I repeatedly stated, there are always opportunities in the markets daily. The important thing is identifying which stocks to invest in to grab that money. The key is trading green, not red. We're looking for those momentum plays with catalysts. It's all about finding momentum before it happens and riding that wave. That's what we're doing here at Insider Financial. And to get our small cap reports, we cover low floats, short squeezes, recent IPOs, biotech FDA plays, AI stocks, EV stocks, lithium stocks, and insider buying. Click that link in the description or go to insiderfinancial.com. No spam. Your info is never shared. Unsubscribe anytime. You can even sign up. Just see the level of research we do here at Insider Insider Financial and unsubscribe. Finally, thanks to Sure Thing Media for sponsoring this video on XXII. Insider Financial and I are non-investment advisors. This video does not provide investment advice. Always do your research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is our opinions meant for informational, educational purposes only and does not provide investment advice. Past performance is not indicative of future performance. Thanks for joining us today on Insider Financial. Hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell to never miss the latest insights and strategies. Until next time, happy trading. Bye-bye.